it's September, and if you read Elaine's grow bag tips last week, she says you should get all of your sort of small autumn bulb planting done by the end of this month. So I've taken her at her word, and I'm here to do that. These are some little Iris reticulata bulbs. Now I'm using this dibber we've got in our shop, so I said, well, I'll just do a little demo thing. It's absolutely lovely. It's got a steel carbon tip. It's got a lovely hardwood handle. It's made by Bergen and Ball in conjunction with the National Trust. It's a lovely feeling thing. So this is how you do it. It's so easy to plant bulbs with a dibber. So you just press it down and just make sure. I just make a little bit of a hole. They say the problem is that people plant their bulbs actually too deep rather than too shallow, but I am going over the 2 inches prescribed because my little bulb won't go down to the bottom of that hole. I know that. And in it goes. Just do that and repeat. I'm going to do it all over there, so let's see how I get on. So there we have it. Well, that's taken me under a minute, well, about 45 seconds. I've got 12 bulbs in the ground. I've got about another 50 to go, and I can tell you this does make very short work of it.